All right, what I want to review today is the two-pack, the LED video light kit that I've started using from NiceVeedi Studio. These are actually not bad. You get a two-pack of these lights. I'm going to show you what these look like, but I'll have the link here in Amazon. But these are great for streaming. One of the things I've always neglected to do is to have good lighting in a lot of my videos. And actually, right here, I don't really have that great of lighting. You can see I have the one of the two lights here in the back, and I'm going to try recording and move one of these lights off to the side and see what it does. All right, so here I just have the light off to the side. I may be a little bit too close to it, but you can see that it's brightening up the room quite a bit. I can change the intensity. Um, there's controls on here, which I'll show you in a minute. I can dim the light. I can brighten the light to whatever level I want. And, there's some good videos out there showing like what a headlight is, putting it out in front of you, sometimes even having one behind. There's certain layouts for these. All right, so here we have one of the two assembled. You actually get two lights in this kit, so it's pretty nice. You get a tripod. As you can see, it's adjustable here. You have adjustments. You have got a phone holder, which I find really helpful. You could set up a second tripod if you're using a phone to record your videos. And then here you do have the light. You got a nice control here. You got a power on. There we have the light on. You have various settings on brightness. Let's see if I can get that to cycle here. So you can actually get it to be brighter, change the tone of it a little bit, which is pretty nice. You can also slowly jump it down to jump it down. You can slowly reduce the level of the light. So there it's on, pretty dim setting, and you can turn it back off. So overall, a pretty nice light kit. So all right, so what I've got here on the screen, I did purchase these earlier this month in October. Again, it's a two-pack LED video light kit from NiceVeedi Studio. I do love these. They're pretty good. They are listed here. You got brightness. You can adjust them from 0 to 100% brightness, which is really good. You've got fine controls. I'm going to show you a picture of it and a close-up. They've got some pictures here. These aren't all that great, but you got like, what's it say? You got 356 small LEDs inside of this light. Color temperature, 0 to 100% brightness. Soft diffuser. I mean, I think for what they are, they do a pretty good job. I mean, there are more expensive lights out there, but a two-pack for $49.99 is not bad. And again, right now, it looks like they're showing a coupon here. So I'll put the link in the description on these. I do recommend, if you're doing any kind of video work, to have some decent lighting. And again, I'd probably need to adjust these a little bit. You can see I can adjust the angle. I'm just kind of moving this light around a little bit to get a different effect. But highly recommend these lights. Again, I'm going to show you what they look like a little bit closer.